thing is absolutely pristine. Super rare to find enduro weapon, 1975. It's almost 50 years old. World-class chromoly chassis. This came stock from the factory with that beautiful, stunning polished aluminum fuel tank, the white fenders, and the headlight and taillight. It's been upgraded with a new set of Works Performance shocks, which is a huge upgrade. Best brakes you can get of the period, and it came from the factory with the Cherry forks on it. So it's a direct descendant of the World MX Grand Prix Championship bikes in 1974. This bike is a complete and correct low hour example. It's been completely gone through from the frame up. The previous owner rebuilt the engine, compression test perfect, transmission clutch are on point, the lights work. It's a diamond. It's got the classic vintage plate on it. We're running VP-T2 non-ethanol fuel. Cars have been completely rebuilt. Gear oils been changed. Brakes have been serviced. It needs nothing. It's ready to go. It even has the kickstand, which is rare to find on a 50-year-old off-road bike. Those Works Performance shocks are light years better than the shocks from that period too. And the Cherry forks are much better than the other forks of that period. Those are the original factory. Forward history detail by the same guys that detail the bikes here for the museum. Everything's been given a full top to bottom. Let's bring them up here and we'll give you a close-up view of the bike. The pairs in a kitten. Look at the shocks on this thing. It's got new Maxxis tires, new tube. The chain is sprocket has been replaced. It's got a brand new rear fender. We just put this tail light on here. It works. It's got a KTM saddle, the rear upholstery, new graphics. It's got the. What do you think?
This is like jewelry. It really is. It's incredible. They really don't make them like this anymore. I wish there was an option for you to go out and buy stuff with like a polished aluminum tank and stuff like that, but the option's really not out there anymore.
No, it has a dual petcocks on it, Bing carb, and look at the head on this thing, air cooled. Unlike the complicated fuel injected, electronic fuel injected, this is a bike you can actually service. This bike's gonna be 50 years old next year, and it's completely rebuildable. Whereas, will you even be able to do that with the bikes of today? Maybe not. It's got a new front tire also. Look at the finish on these Cherry forks. The chrome's in mint shape. The rubbers have been replaced. The spokes are all in good condition. This is a bike that has been well cared for since new. It's got the original chrome handlebars. Guys, this bike's got 575 original miles on it. It's basically just broken in. It's a time capsule, really. Check out the exhaust pipe on this thing. It's got like a bazooka exhaust pipe with the chrome end cap on it. Just a beautiful piece.
That ties it all together too with the tank and the chrome tip. It looks great. It really looks great in person. I don't know if the videos will do it justice, but this bike is it's phenomenal. I mean, you can't buy jewelry this nice. It's incredible.
Look at the gas cap on this thing too. This is just really cool. It's like an aircraft quality setup on here, and it's got the new Penton graphics on here. And the tank is an unclear coated polished aluminum tank with the original tank straps on it. The engine cases are in mint condition. Show them the frame rails, Ronnie, because that's a true hallmark. There's no dents or dings on the frame rails. The paint's peeled a little bit on the bottom, but you can see there's no rust, just pristine. Even the original bash pan on the front here doesn't have any dents in it. It's a bike that hasn't been abused or raced off-road. It's just been a rich man's toy since it was new. Justin, I want to take the final ride on it. Before I park this bad boy in the museum. We have 4 Pentons that are part of the sale that we're having this month at the museum. And this is my favorite with the chrome tank. I just love it. So if you've been looking for a classic to add to your collection, your ship just came in. Runs like a brand new motorcycle. Good luck bidding.